Hello there, I'm Paul Hipkiss from our floor care team at PHS, and today I'm going to talk to you about our outdoor mat range. So the first mat in our outdoor range is the Tough Mat. It's a great first line of defence outside as you're entering any building. It must be under some form of shelter or canopy, as it's not designed to be completely outside, but it's a really good first line of defence because the main job that it does is scrapes. And what it does is, particularly in winter, it will reduce the amount of rock salt that's been trodden into the building. And I always say as well that not many people wipe their feet these days, so this will kind of do it for them as a first line of defence without them even realising. So as soon as you walk over this mat, it will scrape off all the worst of rock salt and sand and debris as well in the summer before it enters your building, and it can also dramatically reduce the amount that comes into your building and damages your floors and also reduces cleaning levels as well. It comes in 3 standard sizes, it's available in just the one colour, and it's also suitable for sort of outside anywhere where you've got any form of shelter. Next one in our outdoor range is the outdoor rubber logo mat. Now the outdoor rubber logo mat comes in 4 standard sizes. It comes with basically a jet print logo on there, and we can basically do that with 80 different colours to choose from. You will get the border around it within the mat, but again, if you want to sort of spruce up first impressions before you're even in your building, then this is a really good product to do that as well. And but predominantly it's an outdoor rubber logo mat. We can have images on them, we can have normal logos, or we can put health and safety signs on them in industrial and factory environments as well. Another benefit as well of the outdoor rubber logo mat is it is a true outdoor mat. So a true outdoor mat means obviously it doesn't have to be under any form of shelter or canopy. And last but by no means least is our most effective solution, which is the outdoor premium or premium logo. It comes with gripper back, similar to my sample there, which allows it to sit just off the ground, and also it comes with holes, which means I always say when it rains, it drains. This is a really good product to have outside. Great first impression with the logo as well. We can do straightforward logos, and you can use up to 3 colours on one mat as well for your logo, which will be your background and your 2 foreground colours.